Please support subscribing to this channel before you start. Today, I would like to introduce to you the recipe of steamed pork ribs with plums, which is very easy to make and delicious. Ingredients: pork ribs 300 gram, cut into pieces. Dried shallots, sliced, and ginger, chopped, 1 salted sour plum in brine. Seasoning: 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons soybean sauce or sweet soy sauce. First, crush the sour plum to become plum sauce. Add 2 tablespoons ketchup. Add 2 tablespoons of soybean sauce. Add 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Add 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix all sauces together. Pour the shallots and ginger into the sauce. Add a little water. Mix all ingredients. Put the cleaned ribs in a bowl. Pour in the prepared sauce. Stir the ribs and marinade well. Make sure all the marinade coats the ribs evenly. Put the ribs on a flat plate, as it will be easier to steam each piece of meat. Wrap the plate in plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and marinate for at least an hour. Remove the ribs from the refrigerator and preheat the steamer. Put the ribs in the steamer for 15 minutes. A plate of delicious steamed pork ribs with plum is done. Please support subscribing to this channel. See you next time.